Welcome to our latest in the series of SEO Demystified by Briz Tectonic. We're going to be talking about creating a successful content marketing strategy, tips for bloggers in this video. Content creation and content marketing go hand in hand. You cannot have a successful content marketing strategy without first creating valuable content for your audience. But before you start typing away, it's crucial to have a clear understanding of who your target audience is and what they want to know. For example, if your audience is millennials looking to start their own business, they might not need information on how to get started on social media. Instead, they might need guidance on how to adjust their approach to social media from a personal one to a business-savvy, networking-focused approach. This is where you can provide value and differentiate yourself from other bloggers. It's important to remember that even if your audience has heard the information before, they've never heard it from you. You can provide a unique viewpoint that sets you apart from others in your niche. This viewpoint is what will keep your readers coming back for more. Customizing the appearance of your content is another important factor in creating a successful content marketing strategy. The theme and design of your blog should reflect the theme of the content you plan on creating. For example, if you're writing about sustainability and the environment, green might be a color to keep in mind when designing the look and feel of your blog. If you already have a website and are adding a blog, it's essential that your blog is consistent with your existing website, both in appearance and subject matter. Your logo should be included on your blog to remind your readers who is publishing this content. Your About page should also be included as an extension of your business's overview statement. Think of it as your mission statement, which serves to support your company's goals. Once you have your content strategy and appearance set up, it's time to start writing. Before you start typing away, you need to pick a topic. This can be anything that is relevant to your audience and fits within your niche. For example, if you're a master cake maker, you might start out thinking you want to write about the classic Victoria sponge. As you continue to create content for your blog, you'll have more content for search engines to scan, which can increase your visibility online. The more content you have, the more opportunities you have to be found by potential customers. It's essential to create a schedule and consistently produce high-quality content to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Promoting your content is another critical component of content marketing. Social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn can help you reach a broader audience. You can share your content with your followers and ask them to share it with their followers as well. This can increase your reach and help you build a loyal following. Another way to promote your content is by collaborating with other bloggers and influencers in your niche. This can help you reach a new audience and build relationships with other industry leaders. In conclusion, content creation and content marketing go hand in hand. To create a successful content marketing strategy, you need to start with valuable content that resonates with your audience.